Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how I created this feeding braid updo. To begin with, you are going to need an edge control of your choice. The one I use will be listed in the list below. You need to make sure that your hair is blown out. Take a tail comb and part your hair into sections. You will then need to take your edge control and run it across the first parting you have made. Taking the tip of your tail comb, run it across the parting too, assuring that there is no loose hairs in the way. This would also give the parting a HD look. I then take the tip of my tail comb and I section a tiny piece of hair. Using little or no hair, I then begin to braid the small braids in between each big section of the braids. I continue this around the head, making sure that each section I make, the parting is defined using my edge control. This is a very vital step. To section the back, I decided I was going to do it into 3 sections, taking the hair from the nape of the head, following it round to the crown. Continuing to add my small braids in between each big section I make. Once all my small braids are applied, I then go in and add my big braids. I started at the nape of the head, To start my first big braid, I take the edge control and glide it from each point of the hair, smoothing the hair into the centre of the parting on each side. I start off by using my client's natural hair. I do 3 passes and then I begin to feed in the braids. I take 7 strands and feed it into the hair. Making sure I plait the hair all the way to the ends. This will save time at the end. I repeated this step all the way around the head. It's self-explanatory. I then dip the hair into boiling hot water. This will seal the ends. This is a very vital step because if you don't do this, the hair will start to unravel and it'll be a waste of braiding time. I take my hot towel and I squeeze it up the braids and onto the top of the hair. This will seal in any loose hair. I then take my scissors and clean up any strands that are flying away out of the braids. Once I have applied all my feeding braids, I take a setting mousse and I apply it to the hair. This will seal in the hair and also give it an extra shine. I then wrap the hair into the desired style. Today my client decided she wanted to have a bun. This style can either be worn in a bun or a ponytail. I then took my hairspray and sprayed the hair. This will also give the hair an extra shine and also sealing any flyaway hairs. Going back to my edge control, I take it and I fleek them edges. And voila, you are complete. Thank you for watching my channel. Please like, comment and subscribe to the blog channel. I'm joking.